migration of African Americans and that of our city's birds. Just as birds migrate to find shelter, these African Americans left the South to find a better home.